How to remove people or objects from photo on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Photos app. Now open the picture from where you want to remove the people or object. Now at the bottom you're going to find 3 bars. Click on that. Now click on the option of cleanup. Now head towards the object or people that you want to remove from the picture. Use your fingers. Rub the object that you want to remove. Then click on done. And you can see that the object has been removed. If you want to remove other objects as well, again click on cleanup. Head towards the object that you want to remove. Just use your fingers in this way and you can see that it has been removed. So this way you are able to remove people or objects from photo on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.